Oh, that's a little spicy.
My insides are burning.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Alright.
No, I can handle it.
अबे यार.
Oh God.
Betty bought a bitter butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. And then she said, "Ke."
Welcome to the OK Tested Spice Challenge. We have 10 Nongshim noodles today, 4 OK Tested contenders, and 3 rounds full of spice, drama, and lot of action.
भाई मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ.
I think I'm gonna breeze through it like nobody's business.
I think I fancy my chances. It's just so nice to be competing with my buntais of almost the last decade, yeah.
Back when I did last OK Tested video, my spice tolerance was another level. I think these guys didn't stand a chance at all. But right now, मेरा spice tolerance बहुत कम हो चुका है, like alarmingly low.
आज डिसाइड होगा OK Tested का असली स्पाइस चैंपियन कौन है. So let's start in 3, 2, 1, go.
What's up? What's up? My God. What a long time.
Oh my god, new piercing.
Great,
You
thanks.
look the same.
Thanks, yeah, Tenzing. You also look the same. These are the soon veggie noodles that 4 of us are going to try together. That's pretty tasty.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
I like this.
It's very nice, simple flavors.
Mild spices.
Do you guys feel that spice?
Yeah, immediately. As soon as you
Oh
said it,
god,
thanks.
I'm also sweating, yaar.
Yeah, man, they made sure that this competition is hot and spicy. They said one of us is going to be eliminated after this round, bro. What?
So soon?
Eat the chapaghetti. Buy chapaghetti.
Let's try the chapaghetti.
Chapaghetti meal. You know, it's very exciting to see something like this. Reminds you of the Hakka noodles, the street side Hakka noodles. These are nice. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा spicy है.
Exactly.
Nice.
Really?
It has this like caramelized onion flavor.
Yeah, you smelled it.
Yeah.
It's nice for someone who doesn't, who can't handle the spice like Vivek over there, man. Loser.
No, I can handle it.
Yeah, I can handle it.
I can now feel the spicy sauce in the middle of this one.
I got one little chicken piece. Now we move to the unsung hero.
Yeah, let's go.
You know, you gotta mix up the broth first,
Yeah.
man. Yeah,
I
look
think
at these fools, man. Khana bhi nahi aata.
Uncultured है यार.
This is what, yaar. This is what happens in Delhi, you know. These guys both live in Basant Vihar, and they both go to Basant Lok Market every 3 days. Okay? And they come here and they call me uncultured. Vivek का ठीक है, I understand. But me,
Just because I belong from Rohini, तुम ऐसा बोल सकते हो.
what is this guy?
बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो.
अरे नहीं यार, ऐसे चल, I'm feeling bad now, यार. Nongshim noodles makes me feel good, but you make me feel bad, bro. एक बार तूने ऐसे नहीं बोला.
यार तू चुप ही नहीं रहता ना इसलिए.
भाई तो पता है. Unsung noodle soup, yeah, I think I've understood that you mix it up well, like I was telling Rohit to do earlier. Like the flavors kind of mix and then you understand what the noodle's about. My favorite is still the soon veggie noodles.
पता नहीं क्यों मुझे अनसंग बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Wow, the unsung hero, dude. This is not bad.
I heard that they're coming with a new flavor called kimchi stir fry ramen, sweet and spicy.
Ooh.
And I have just like sweet and spicy is the exact flavor palette that I have.
In the first challenge, you have to repeat the tongue twisters 5 times without pauses and without fumbles.
Oh shit.
अबे यार.
मैंने लास्ट टाइम टंग ट्विस्टर करा था, आज तक लोग बोल नहीं पा रहे. आज हम जाएंगे नीली लेल लाल रेल नीली लेल लाल.
Oh god.
ये तो मैं पढ़ते पढ़ते ही मैंने fumble कर दिया mentally भी.
Seriously, man.
Really? This is the only way to get to the next round is to say this how many times?
How many times?
5 times? Betty bought a bitter butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. And then she said के पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला, पीले पपीते को पापी ने पीसा. If 2 witches were watching, 2 watches, which witch will watch the which watch? Which watch? Which watch? Which watch? Which watch? I sit the sheet I slid. On the slitted sheet, I sit. Oh yeah, I slid. And on the slitted sheet, I shit, I sit. I sit. That's good, man.
Akshay goes in 3, 2, 1.
Betty bought a bitter butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Betty bought a bitter butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Betty bought a bitter butter, but the bitter butter was better. Betty bought a bitter butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Betty bought a bitter butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Betty bought a bitter butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. I did it 6 and then 5 times was right.
I think maybe 2 times was right.
Tenzing, thank God you're not the judge of anything, dude.
I'll try my best.
3, 2, 1, go.
पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला, पीले पपीते को पापी ने पीसा। पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला, पीले पपीते को पापी ने पीसा। पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला, पीले पपीते को पापी ने पीसा। पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला, पीले पपीते को पापी ने पीसा।
That was very good, yeah, except for that one thing.
Humble.
I'll do it. But मैं थोड़ा पहले से warm up कर लूँ. If two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch?
इतने सीरियसली कोई इतना बुरा परफॉर्मेंस कैसे कर सकता है?
भाई sorry यार that.
ऐसे ही तो पढ़ते
I
हैं.
don't know.
so
Like guys,
bad.
102 कोई कॉल करेगा, जलने की बदबू आ रही है.
I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit.
The big question is, who was worse, Vivek or Rohit?
The contestants moving forward to the next round are Akshay, Tenzing,
okay.
I honestly don't know who out of the two.
Rohit.
It's going. Oh!
Bhatta's going.
देखो लाइफ में ना कभी कभी ऐसी चीजें
ये
होती
लूजर
हैं.
बाइट बाद में देते हैं.
देखो पता नहीं, आज लगता है मेरा दिन नहीं था यार. सबसे टफ मेरे पास ही था यार. सबको इतने इजी दे दिए. क्या है विच क्या मतलब मैंने क्या इसमें गलत बोला? मेरे को लगता है सबसे इजी अक्षय का था, क्योंकि उसने एक सांस में बोला 5 बार. मेरे को लगता है फाइट फेयर नहीं था.
एक नीले लाल जाने से पहले एक हो जाए.
एक बार.
चलो 3 2 1.
3 2 1.
नीली रेल लाल रेल, 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 नीली रेल.
चल कोई नहीं.
एक्चुअली मैं निकल ही जाता हूँ.
Okay, so the awesome threesome have qualified to the next round.
Hey, if you want to call it that.
I thought we were doing that G20 summit thing, man. हमें लगा वो कर रहे हैं.
We have 4 bowls of ramen with the spice level has gone up.
All right, what's the first one?
First
On the
one is
bottom right.
Chin Ramyun cheese flavor.
I like this. It's so sad that Vivek didn't get to choose. I feel very bad for him.
I'm gonna go for the obvious and say ये चीज बड़ी है.
Must. Dude, cheesy ramen is also really good. Like this with one cheese slice.
अटक गया कुछ.
Mirchi
It's not spicy. It's not spicy. अटक गया कुछ.
This one I think is the spiciest. The bottom left.
This is the new flavor, which is the kimchi sweet and spicy.
Oh, that's a little spicy.
ये वाला मजा आ रहा है भाई.
But flavors are like really
Lot
good.
more flavorful and
Yeah. I think they nailed the kimchi flavor. It's the sweet and spicy stir-fry kimchi. Like, I'm not even joking, you have to try it for yourself, but I think this would make such good like midnight munchie, you know, when you're sitting at home watching a K-drama and you actually feel like eating the food that they're eating.
Correct. And you don't have it at home.
yeah,
And then you just Blinkit it.
absolutely blink it कर दे.
And Blinkit has all the flavors.
Oh man, your lips.
Oh my god, your
Lower
lips.
lip is इतना. You said
Orange
lippa.
lip.
Lippa.
Oh, yeah, guys.
This is the Nongshim kimchi flavor.
Love that.
थोड़ा थोड़ा मिर्ची लग रहा है ना?
It's that अच्छा वाला दर्द, you know what I mean?
Correct. अरे यार हसीन दर्द. If I was watching this video, I would pause the freaking video right now, take out my phone, order it on Blinkit, and not think about it.
I'm really excited to try this one.
What is this one?
This is the J5 Tom Yum collab. J5 is the lady who makes crab omelets in the street of Bangkok, and she's been doing that for years, and she has a Michelin star. You're actually having a Michelin star ramen.
Really?
Lemongrass.
No, it's also more citrusy than I thought.
Yeah. Right. It's nice lemongrassy, little khatta.
थोड़ा spicy भी है. What?
I'm liking this competition.
Go ham on ramen. dude.
Really, dude.
Ham on ramen. That's
Ham on
another.
ramen. Fucking
Another
let's go,
combination,
dude. I was
baby.
gonna Jam on a ham on ramen, dude. Fucking. I think this is nice, but it's nothing close to this sweet and spice.
The sweet and spicy one is too good.
You are about to see a tray full of random items for just 10 seconds. Once it's gone, write down as many items as you can remember to win this round.
अबे कैसे हो लोग यार? ये टेंजिंग को सब कुछ दिख रहा है इधर। भूल गया यार मैं।
और अक्षय ने क्या कहा था? मेरी मेमोरी तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है। कॉपी मत करो। Somebody is cheating.
You should have told me that to stand and see.
You could have just used the
No, bhai, but the thing is now that you know what happened.
Hey, walk back. You stay there, Redder.
यार
अरे हो गया मेरा हाँ
स्मार्ट वॉच, कंट्रोलर, हैमर, ब्रेसलेट, सनग्लासेस।
Coconut, avocado, bird's eye chilies, zucchini, headphone, hammer, smartwatch, bracelet.
wallet, avocado, apple, coconut, ball, phone case, hammer, hanger, basket.
But there's no hanger. Can't do anything. तू क्या कर रहा है यार?
Loser.
Look at how hard tough Rohit and I have struggled. He's imagining things. But tensing? कहाँ था zucchini? I'm leaving. Gracefully I'm leaving. इसको कैसे पता है?
क्योंकि मैं खाना बनाती
खिला रही है।
हूँ। What the fuck?
I just want to say I have not lost on my spice tolerance today. I have lost on my memory, and that is okay.
This is Akshay right now, dude.
Yeah. I mean, how does one feel when they get eliminated, dude? I feel like shit. What else? I like winning, but I have not won today. So I hope that both of them lose. That's all I can hope for.
Oh my God, I think हम दोनों सबसे least expecting लोग थे कि we'll make it to the final round, and here we are.
Before we begin the spiciest round of this challenge, I am giving you a lifeline. But with a twist. You can order anything from Blinkit right now to save yourself later.
But are you ready?
I don't know.
To lose.
Oh, damn.
Winner, ramen dinner.
Hell yeah, man.
We have been told that this round is the spiciest till now. This is the spicy chicken. This is the super spicy ramen. And this is maybe the OG Shin ramen. So हमें इससे पहले एक lifeline का option दिया गया था. आपने क्या lifeline select करा?
I ordered a full packet of ice cubes.
I called for vanilla ice cream. I honestly don't know. मुझे देखना है कि इनको मिर्ची लगेगी तो ये ice cube खाएंगे and will it work or not?
ऐसा लगा दूंगा ना मुंह पर थोड़ा ऐसा फेंक दूंगा.
Oh यार, but ice when your lips are burning, I think that time it might help.
Every time you decide to use your lifeline, you'll have to eat one whole mirchi first.
Then what is the point of having the lifeline? It's not braining. It's in my head. It doesn't seem to work. Okay, so shall we try the spicy chicken first?
Let's go for it, man. Yeah, spicy. It hit my lip and immediately I felt a burn at least. This is also really nice, man. Apart from the kimchi one, I really like this.
Yeah, and I like that there's actual like little dehydrated chicken pieces. That's a good one. यहाँ मिर्ची नहीं लग रही, but धीरे my body is heating up.
Man, as you're saying it, my stomach's talking to me, man. We should put a mic here also. And थोड़ा grr रहेगा, you know what I mean?
I think we should go back to the OG Shin ramen to sort of neutralize our palate, and then we'll save the super spicy for last.
Yeah. It's very nice, it's bracing, but like it is
Spicy.
The heat is there, man.
It tastes like Shin ramen.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it tastes like.
Yeah.
But way spicier.
Yeah.
अब मेरी फट रही है to try the super spicy.
Exactly. Already my tongue is a little coated.
Oh, I guess
I knew that was
spicy.
coming. It's spicy, dude.
3 different kind of spices are just like mingling,
Yeah.
and they're fighting in my stomach.
There's a lot going on in the
Yeah,
mouth.
but definitely
And none
pasine
of it
chhoot
is
rahe
good,
hain.
dude.
You can actually see like the red chili flakes or particles on it. Yo.
That was immediate sweat.
Oh my God.
Anyone want to dab my cheekbones?
Suddenly the room temperature is rising. If I have to eat more mirchi, that doesn't sound like good idea.
Yeah, absolutely. So ये रखा हुआ है just to torture us, man. That's crazy.
But this super spicy one actually has some flavor also.
You know what? What they say is that like to kill some kind of spice, have more spice, and then you will be in a state of ecstasy type. Like अच्छा लगता है.
ले लो अपना lifeline ले लो.
There's a catch.
I don't know how you're gonna do this.
You ready?
I'm ready. Go for it.
Alright.
Ah! He's Bengali, guys. He can have spice.
I'm not even listening to you right now, dude.
My insides are burning. Yo, are you okay?
No, man, obviously not, dude. This is
Oh
a bad
my God.
decision.
The final challenge is here.
What is this setup?
Like
First
protein
I'm
shake.
seeing these many ramen packets on a yoga mat.
Hold this yoga pose and balance 5 Nongshim noodle packs on a single hand. Whoever holds the longest
Okay.
is the ultimate winner.
Yeah, that's not happening. That is not happening.
I love the crew's faith in us कि हम ये कर सकते हैं.
It's good motivation, na? Like slowly one packet नीचे come करो, and I don't know, man. Let's just do it, dude. Let's just try. Arey, we're supposed to bow to each other, man.
Huh? This is not fucking sumo wrestling, bro. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
All right. Okay.
Ah!
So stressful and also at the same time kinda calming. What do you think?
You're talking to me. Sorry, I can only focus on one.
No.
Ah!
कुछ बोल ना. I feel like.
यार, I'm trying to win. Stop talking to me. Core engage करने दो.
Oh, I found a new technique. You want to see what it is? Look back.
The one thing I'm good at is balancing, guys. Why did you keep talking to me and your cheap trick I tried to copy?
I was feeling lonely. But hey, man, guess what? Loser.
Can't believe he won. I'm extremely disappointed in myself.
It's quite a bamboozler because I did not expect to win.
Can't
at
believe
all.
you won.
I can't
If
believe.
Akshay was here, I would have won.
Yeah. But तू योगा करती है यार. तू.
यार मैंने रामेन के साथ कभी योगा नहीं करा है. Okay, that's a first.
Thank you.
Shocking.
All right.
Shocking. Disappointed. But well done.
I feel like now you owe us ramen. All of us. Treat us.
हम जा रहे हैं to order our favorite Nongshim noodles from Blinkit. So if you want to keep on watching hot, spicy, peppery content, then like,
Share, comment, and subscribe to OK Tested.
Oh my God.
We look occasionally-
I haven't done this in
In a while.
forever.
It's been a while.
नीली रेल लाल रेल नीली रेल लाल रेल
आपको यही मिला है?
Literally यही मिला है.
Dude, what is
That
this?
is-
This is unfair, man.
अरे ठीक है यार
He
Wow,
gets
they have-
Betty Botter, Betty Botter,
I've been that a long time ago. मैं थोड़ा आइसक्रीम ही खा रहा हूँ यार. ये क्या है यार? ये ले ले तू ले ले.
Yuck!
क्या हो सकता है दिख रहा है?
Rolling pin.